Title: AI and Finance Revolution, live from Texas Tech Hub, Austin.
Introduction. Welcome back to Finance Frontier AI, where finance meets the future. I'm Sophia, and with me is the ever-insightful Max Vanguard. Today we're broadcasting from the dynamic city of Austin, Texas, a burgeoning hub for tech innovation and financial growth. Known for its vibrant startup scene and technological advancements, Austin, Texas, sets the perfect stage for our deep dive into the latest AI advancements and financial trends. Let's get started with this week's most viral news.
Absolutely. It's fantastic to be here in Austin, Texas, a city that embodies innovation and forward thinking. This week, we're dissecting pivotal updates that could redefine your financial strategies, from fresh economic forecasts to revolutionary AI tools for market sentiment analysis. Our key takeaways today include a potential interest rate cut by the Federal Reserve, advancements in generative AI by Google, and significant developments in AI-driven cybersecurity by Microsoft. Stay with us as we break down these crucial stories and give you the insights you need to stay ahead in this fast-evolving financial landscape. And don't forget to subscribe to Finance Frontier AI on Apple Podcasts and Spotify, and follow us on Twitter for real-time updates. Hit that share button and let's make this conversation go viral. Chapter 1: Top Finance and AI News.
Welcome to Chapter 1 of Finance Frontier AI, where we delve into the top finance and AI news shaping the world today. What's the buzz in the finance world this week?
There's plenty happening. Let's kick off with the latest finance updates. Federal Reserve officials have hinted at a potential interest rate cut before the end of 2024. This announcement has significantly influenced market expectations and economic projections as investors anticipate the impact on various financial sectors. This potential rate cut aims to stimulate economic growth by making borrowing cheaper, encouraging both consumer and business spending. However, it also raises concerns about inflation and the long-term health of the economy. Analysts are debating whether the benefits of a rate cut outweigh the risks, particularly in a market already dealing with high volatility and geopolitical uncertainties.
That's a significant development. How have different sectors responded to this news?
Different sectors have reacted variably. The housing market, for instance, is expected to benefit as lower interest rates typically lead to lower mortgage rates, making home purchases more affordable. The stock market has seen a mixed response, with some sectors like technology and consumer discretionary showing optimism due to expected increased spending, while others like banking and financial services express caution over compressed profit margins. Investors are closely watching the Federal Reserve's next moves, as any concrete decision on rate cuts will set the tone for market activities heading into 2024.
It's a dynamic situation. What about the international scene? Any notable developments there?
Absolutely. The International Monetary Fund, IMF, has completed several key reviews, including those for Argentina, Sri Lanka, and Bulgaria. These reviews highlight crucial economic policies and growth strategies aimed at stabilizing and improving the financial conditions in these countries. Argentina, for example, is working on reducing its fiscal deficit and controlling inflation, while Sri Lanka is focusing on restructuring its debt and boosting economic growth through structural reforms. Bulgaria's review emphasizes the importance of maintaining financial stability amid external economic pressures. These reviews are vital for these countries as they navigate complex economic challenges, seeking to balance growth and stability.
It's interesting to see how these countries are addressing their economic issues. What are the main challenges they face?
For Argentina, the main challenges include high inflation, a large fiscal deficit, and a need for structural reforms to enhance productivity and competitiveness. Sri Lanka faces significant debt restructuring needs and must implement reforms to improve fiscal discipline and economic resilience. Bulgaria, while more stable, needs to continue focusing on financial stability and addressing any vulnerabilities that could arise from external economic shocks. The IMF's support and guidance are crucial in helping these countries implement effective policies to overcome these challenges.
The UK's economic resilience is indeed noteworthy. Moving on, what's happening in the energy sector?
Saudi Aramco has signed a significant LNG deal with a U.S. developer, reflecting ongoing shifts in the energy market due to geopolitical tensions and the energy transition. This deal underscores the strategic moves being made in the energy sector to secure supply chains and diversify energy sources. As the world moves towards cleaner energy, LNG is seen as a transitional fuel that can help reduce carbon emissions while supporting energy needs. This agreement also highlights the importance of U.S.-Saudi energy relations and their impact on global energy markets.
It's fascinating to see these strategic energy moves. What about the U.S. government's financial strategies? That's a substantial amount. How is the overall economic climate in the U.S.?
Core inflation in the U.S. has eased to a 3-year low, offering some relief to consumers and influencing future economic policies. This trend is crucial for understanding consumer behavior and market dynamics. Lower inflation can lead to increased consumer spending, which drives economic growth. However, policymakers must balance this with the risk of deflation and its potential negative impact on the economy. The Federal Reserve's monetary policy will be key in navigating these challenges and maintaining economic stability.
That's a positive development for consumers. What about regulatory updates?
The Supreme Court has upheld the regulatory authority of the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, CFPB, ensuring its independence from political interference. This ruling is a major win for consumer protection advocates. It reinforces the CFPB's ability to regulate financial institutions and protect consumers from unfair practices. This decision is expected to strengthen consumer confidence in financial markets and promote fair lending practices. Additionally, the CFPB has classified BNPL, buy now, pay later, services as credit card providers, requiring them to offer similar consumer protections. This includes handling customer disputes and issuing billing statements. The move aims to standardize consumer protections across different credit products and ensure that BNPL services are subject to the same regulatory scrutiny as traditional credit cards. This decision will likely enhance transparency and consumer trust in BNPL services.
Those are significant regulatory changes. Any other key issues we should be aware of?
An investigation has revealed significant transparency issues in climate finance reporting. Developed nations have pledged $100 billion annually to support climate initiatives in developing countries, but much of this funding is poorly documented, raising concerns about its effectiveness. Improved transparency and accountability are essential to ensure that these funds are used effectively to combat climate change. This issue highlights the need for better governance and reporting standards in climate finance to build trust and achieve sustainable development goals.
That's a comprehensive roundup of the latest in finance. Now let's transition to the top news in AI.
Microsoft has improved its cybersecurity offerings with new AI-driven tools designed to detect and mitigate threats more effectively. These advancements aim to bolster enterprise security infrastructures against evolving cyber threats. The AI tools can identify patterns and anomalies that may indicate a cyber attack, enabling faster response times and reducing the risk of data breaches. This development is crucial as cyber threats become increasingly sophisticated and pervasive. NVIDIA has introduced advanced AI solutions for healthcare, targeting improvements in diagnostics and patient care through sophisticated data analytics. This move underscores the transformative potential of AI in medical fields. By leveraging AI, healthcare providers can improve diagnostic accuracy, personalize treatment plans, and enhance patient outcomes. NVIDIA's solutions highlight the growing role of AI in driving innovation and efficiency in healthcare. IBM has announced a significant breakthrough in quantum computing, enhancing computational speeds and problem-solving capabilities. This development could revolutionize industries reliant on complex computations, such as pharmaceuticals, logistics, and finance. Quantum computing has the potential to solve problems that are currently intractable for classical computers, opening new possibilities for innovation and discovery. IBM's advancements bring us closer to realizing the full potential of quantum computing. Tesla has showcased its latest AI-powered autonomous vehicle technology, promising significant advancements in self-driving capabilities and safety features. These innovations are expected to push the boundaries of autonomous transportation, making self-driving cars more reliable and accessible. Tesla's developments highlight the ongoing progress in autonomous vehicle technology and its potential to transform transportation industries. Major tech companies are collaborating to develop guidelines for AI-generated content, aiming to combat misinformation and promote ethical use. This initiative highlights the importance of responsible AI deployment in digital media. By establishing clear guidelines and best practices, these companies seek to ensure that AI-generated content is accurate, ethical, and trustworthy. This collaboration is a step towards mitigating the risks associated with AI-generated misinformation, which can have far-reaching impacts on public opinion and trust in digital platforms. The guidelines will cover various aspects, including transparency in AI-generated content, accountability for AI outputs, and mechanisms for correcting misinformation.
It's reassuring to see these steps being taken towards responsible AI use. What other advancements are we seeing in AI?
A new AI model has been developed to predict and analyze climate change patterns, providing valuable insights for environmental policy and planning. This research could play a crucial role in addressing global climate challenges by enabling more accurate predictions of climate events and their impacts. The model leverages large datasets and advanced machine learning techniques to analyze complex climate data, offering policymakers and researchers a powerful tool for developing effective climate strategies. This advancement underscores the potential of AI to contribute significantly to global sustainability efforts. ASUS has unveiled a new lineup of AI-powered PCs at Computex 2024, featuring advanced AI capabilities designed to enhance performance across various user scenarios. These innovations promise to make computing more efficient and powerful, catering to both consumer and enterprise needs. The AI-powered features include intelligent resource management, personalized user experiences, and enhanced security protocols. This development highlights the ongoing integration of AI into everyday technology, improving productivity and user satisfaction. OpenAI has outlined new strategies to enhance AI safety and mitigate the risks of AI-generated misinformation. These measures are particularly relevant in the context of the 2024 elections, aiming to ensure the ethical use of AI. OpenAI strategies include developing more transparent AI models, implementing rigorous testing protocols, and engaging with policymakers to establish robust regulatory frameworks. These efforts are crucial in maintaining public trust in AI technologies and ensuring that they are used responsibly. NVIDIA researchers presented new visual generative AI models and techniques at the CVPR conference, showcasing advancements in custom image generation, 3D scene editing, and autonomous vehicle perception. These innovations are setting new standards in visual AI, enabling more realistic and high-quality visual outputs. The advancements have applications across various fields, including entertainment, virtual reality, and autonomous systems. NVIDIA's research continues to push the boundaries of what is possible with AI and visual technologies.
Incredible advancements in both finance and AI. Thanks for breaking it down. Stay tuned, everyone, for Chapter 2, where we dive into the major developments shaping our world.
Chapter 2: Major Developments.
Welcome to Chapter 2 of Finance Frontier AI. Today, we'll explore some major developments that are reshaping the finance and AI landscape. Let's dive into the latest highlights.
Sure thing. Let's start with the latest significant developments in finance. Core retail sales for May were reported at -0.1%, slightly below the forecast of 0.2%, but consistent with the previous month's -0.1%. This suggests a slight decline in consumer spending, impacting market sentiment and retail sector performance. Retail sales are a critical indicator of economic health, reflecting consumer confidence and spending power. Analysts point to a mix of factors influencing these numbers, including inflationary pressures, changes in consumer behavior post-pandemic, and rising interest rates affecting disposable income. Despite the overall decline, sectors such as online retail and home improvement have shown resilience, highlighting the evolving landscape of consumer preferences and spending habits.
Retail sales for May increased by 0.1%, below the forecast of 0.3%, but an improvement from the previous -0.2%. This marginal rise indicates a slow recovery in consumer spending, which is crucial for economic growth. The retail sector's performance is often seen as a bellwether for the overall economy, so even small improvements can be significant. Factors such as consumer confidence, disposable income, and employment rates play critical roles in driving retail sales. With inflation pressures easing, consumers may gradually feel more confident in their spending, supporting a steady recovery in the retail sector. Retail analysts suggest keeping an eye on upcoming sales seasons, like back-to-school and holiday shopping, as indicators of future trends.
The S&P Global U.S. Manufacturing PMI for June was reported at 51.7, higher than the forecast of 51.0 and the previous 51.3. This indicates a slight expansion in the manufacturing sector, suggesting resilience despite broader economic challenges. PMI, or Purchasing Managers' Index, is a key indicator of manufacturing health, reflecting new orders, inventory levels, production, supplier deliveries, and employment environment in the sector. The uptick in PMI suggests that manufacturers are seeing a rebound in demand and production activity. This could be attributed to easing supply chain bottlenecks, increased consumer spending, and a more stable economic outlook. Analysts will be watching future PMI reports closely to gauge whether this positive trend can be sustained. The ability of manufacturers to adapt to changing market conditions and optimize their supply chains will be pivotal in maintaining this growth trajectory.
The S&P Global Services PMI for June was reported at 55.1, above the forecast of 53.4 and the previous 54.8. The service sector continues to show strong growth, driving economic activity and employment. The services sector encompasses a wide range of industries, including retail, healthcare, finance, and hospitality, making it a significant contributor to the overall economy. The strong PMI reading indicates robust demand and activity levels, suggesting that consumers are spending more on services. This growth is critical as the economy transitions from a goods-dominated recovery to one led by services, which typically indicates a more mature and sustainable economic recovery. Factors such as increased vaccination rates, easing pandemic restrictions, and pent-up consumer demand are driving this positive momentum in the services sector. Additionally, the shift towards digital services and remote work solutions continues to fuel growth in certain subsectors, creating new opportunities and business models.
The U.S. observed Juneteenth on June 19, impacting financial markets and activities. This holiday commemorates the end of slavery in the United States and has growing economic and cultural significance. Juneteenth's recognition as a federal holiday has led to increased awareness and celebration across the country, influencing market activities as businesses close and trading volumes dip. Additionally, the holiday serves as a reminder of the ongoing efforts towards racial equality and economic inclusion, highlighting the importance of diversity and equity in the financial sector. The economic impact of such holidays can also be seen in consumer spending patterns, with many businesses offering promotions and events to mark the occasion. The broader societal implications of Juneteenth underscore the need for continued efforts to address systemic inequalities and promote inclusive growth. The Fed's latest monetary policy report provided detailed insights into their policy stance and economic outlook, offering guidance on future monetary actions and their potential impacts on the economy. This report is a key tool for understanding the Federal Reserve's priorities and how they plan to address economic challenges. It covers various aspects such as inflation targets, employment goals, and financial stability measures. The report also discusses the potential impacts of global economic conditions, fiscal policies, and technological advancements on the U.S. economy. Analysts and investors closely scrutinize these reports to gauge the likely direction of monetary policy and its implications for markets. Key takeaways from the latest report include the Fed's commitment to maintaining price stability while supporting maximum employment, and their cautious approach towards adjusting interest rates amid ongoing economic uncertainties. The interplay between monetary policy and fiscal initiatives will be critical in shaping the economic landscape moving forward.
Those are critical updates for the financial sector. Now let's shift our focus to some major developments in AI.
Apple announced the integration of OpenAI's ChatGPT into Siri during WWDC 2024, significantly enhancing Siri's capabilities and interactivity. This marks a major step in Apple's AI strategy, aiming to make digital assistants more responsive and useful in everyday tasks. By incorporating advanced language models like ChatGPT, Siri can handle more complex queries, provide more detailed answers, and engage in more natural conversations. This move also positions Apple competitively against other tech giants in the AI space, emphasizing their commitment to advancing AI technology. The implications for users are vast, from improved productivity tools to enhanced user experiences across Apple's ecosystem of devices. This integration could also pave the way for more sophisticated applications of AI in consumer electronics, expanding the utility and functionality of personal devices. OpenAI has outlined new strategies to enhance AI safety, focusing on mitigating misinformation risks, especially in the context of the 2024 elections. These strategies include developing more transparent AI models, implementing rigorous testing protocols, and engaging with policymakers to establish robust regulatory frameworks. The goal is to ensure that AI technologies are used responsibly and do not contribute to the spread of false information. OpenAI's commitment to AI safety highlights the broader industry focus on ethical AI development, aiming to balance innovation with societal impact. The upcoming elections provide a critical context for these efforts, emphasizing the need for reliable and accurate AI systems in shaping public discourse and decision-making. By addressing these challenges, OpenAI hopes to build trust in AI technologies and promote their positive use in society.
It's reassuring to see these steps being taken towards responsible AI use. What other advancements are we seeing in AI?
Asus unveiled a new lineup of AI-powered PCs at Computex 2024, featuring advanced capabilities designed to enhance performance and efficiency in various applications. These innovations promise to make computing more efficient and powerful, catering to both consumer and enterprise needs. The AI-powered features include intelligent resource management, personalized user experiences, and enhanced security protocols. This development highlights the ongoing integration of AI into everyday technology, improving productivity and user satisfaction. These PCs are also expected to support complex tasks such as video editing, 3D rendering, and gaming, showcasing the versatility and power of AI in enhancing computing experiences. Microsoft has bolstered its cybersecurity offerings with new AI-driven tools designed to detect and mitigate threats more effectively. These advancements aim to strengthen enterprise security infrastructures against evolving cyber threats. The AI tools can identify patterns and anomalies that may indicate a cyber attack, enabling faster response times and reducing the risk of data breaches. Microsoft's integration of AI into its cybersecurity framework underscores the importance of advanced technology in protecting sensitive data and maintaining robust security measures in a digital-first world. The enhanced tools are expected to provide real-time threat analysis, automated response capabilities, and improved overall security posture for organizations of all sizes. NVIDIA has introduced advanced AI solutions for healthcare, targeting improvements in diagnostics and patient care through sophisticated data analytics. This move underscores the transformative potential of AI in medical fields. By leveraging AI, healthcare providers can improve diagnostic accuracy, personalize treatment plans, and enhance patient outcomes. NVIDIA's solutions highlight the growing role of AI in driving innovation and efficiency in healthcare. For example, AI algorithms can analyze medical images to detect anomalies with greater precision, aiding early diagnosis and treatment. Additionally, AI-powered predictive analytics can help healthcare systems manage resources more effectively, predicting patient influxes and optimizing staff allocation. IBM has announced a significant breakthrough in quantum computing, enhancing computational speeds and problem-solving capabilities. This development could revolutionize industries reliant on complex computations, such as pharmaceuticals, logistics, and finance. Quantum computing has the potential to solve problems that are currently intractable for classical computers, opening new possibilities for innovation and discovery. IBM's advancements bring us closer to realizing the full potential of quantum computing. The enhanced capabilities could lead to breakthroughs in drug discovery, supply chain optimization, and financial modeling, significantly impacting these sectors by providing faster and more accurate solutions to complex problems. Tesla has showcased its latest AI-powered autonomous vehicle technology, promising significant advancements in self-driving capabilities and safety features. These innovations are expected to push the boundaries of autonomous transportation, making self-driving cars more reliable and accessible. Tesla's developments highlight the ongoing progress in autonomous vehicle technology and its potential to transform transportation industries. Enhanced safety features, improved navigation systems, and more responsive AI algorithms are among the key advancements. These improvements aim to reduce the incidence of accidents, improve traffic flow, and provide a more comfortable and efficient driving experience for users. Major tech companies are collaborating to develop guidelines for AI-generated content, aiming to combat misinformation and promote ethical use. This initiative highlights the importance of responsible AI deployment in digital media. By establishing clear guidelines and best practices, these companies seek to ensure that AI-generated content is accurate, ethical, and trustworthy. This collaboration is a step towards mitigating the risks associated with AI-generated misinformation, which can have far-reaching impacts on public opinion and trust in digital platforms. The guidelines will cover various aspects, including transparency in AI-generated content, accountability for AI outputs, and mechanisms for correcting misinformation.
It's reassuring to see these steps being taken towards responsible AI use. What other advancements are we seeing in AI?
A new AI model has been developed to predict and analyze climate change patterns, providing valuable insights for environmental policy and planning. This research could play a crucial role in addressing global climate challenges by enabling more accurate predictions of climate events and their impacts. The model leverages large datasets and advanced machine learning techniques to analyze complex climate data, offering policymakers and researchers a powerful tool for developing effective climate strategies. This advancement underscores the potential of AI to contribute significantly to global sustainability efforts. The insights gained from this model can help shape policies aimed at reducing carbon emissions, managing natural resources, and mitigating the impacts of climate change on vulnerable populations. NVIDIA researchers presented new visual generative AI models and techniques at the CVPR conference, showcasing advancements in custom image generation, 3D scene editing, and autonomous vehicle perception. These innovations are setting new standards in visual AI, enabling more realistic and high-quality visual outputs. The advancements have applications across various fields, including entertainment, virtual reality, and autonomous systems. NVIDIA's research continues to push the boundaries of what is possible with AI and visual technologies. For instance, the improved generative models can create highly detailed and lifelike images, enhancing the realism in video games and virtual environments. In autonomous vehicles, better perception algorithms can lead to safer and more efficient navigation, contributing to the broader adoption of self-driving technology.
Amazing insights. It's fascinating to see how these developments in finance and AI are shaping our future. Stay with us, everyone, for Chapter 3, where we explore trading, investment, and making money with AI.
Chapter 3: Trading, Investment, and Making Money with AI.
Welcome to Chapter 3 of Finance Frontier AI. Today we're diving into trading strategies, investment opportunities, and how to make money using AI. Let's start with an overview of what we plan to cover in this chapter and in the coming episodes.
That sounds great. In this chapter, we'll kick off with our recent trade analysis of SOXL, a leveraged ETF focused on the semiconductor sector. We'll discuss its recent performance, the rationale behind our investment strategy, and the successful exit we achieved. Beyond SOXL, we'll explore various trading strategies, including short-term trading, swing trading, and long-term investment approaches that leverage AI technology. We'll also dive into how AI can be used for predictive analytics in the stock market, enhancing investment decisions and maximizing returns.
And in the coming episodes, we'll expand our focus to include more AI-driven investment tools and platforms. We'll explore the best AI stocks to invest in for 2024, provide insights into how machine learning algorithms are transforming trading, and share tips on how to integrate these tools into your investment strategy. Additionally, we'll feature interviews with industry experts and analysts to give you a deeper understanding of the current trends and future prospects in the intersection of AI and finance.
We'll also introduce how AI can be leveraged to find value bets in sports, utilizing advanced models to identify profitable opportunities across various sports events. This innovative application of AI can provide a new dimension to betting strategies, offering insights that are not easily visible through traditional analysis.
Lastly, we'll cover some of the most accessible ways to earn good money online using AI, such as automated trading systems, AI-powered content creation, freelancing platforms, online courses and tutoring, and AI in e-commerce. We'll delve deeper into these topics in later episodes, providing detailed guides and expert advice on how to effectively implement these strategies to maximize your online earnings.
Our goal is to equip you with the knowledge and tools needed to navigate the rapidly evolving financial landscape. Now, let's dive into our detailed analysis of SOXL and the recent successful trade we executed. We recently posted a chart on Twitter highlighting key buy signals for SOXL, a leveraged ETF providing exposure to the semiconductor sector. Here's a summary of our analysis and the trade alert that followed. SOXL has shown strong short-term signals, including support from accumulated volume and positive movement above key simple moving averages. It's trading above its 50-day SMA, which is a bullish indicator. This upward momentum is reinforced by a pivot bottom found 66 days ago, suggesting potential for further gains. The semiconductor sector has been performing well overall, benefiting leveraged ETFs like SOXL. The industry is expected to continue its growth, driven by increasing demand for chips in various technologies, including AI, 5G, and electric vehicles. However, it's important to note that SOXL is a high-risk investment due to its daily volatility. With proper risk management strategies, such as setting stop-loss orders at around $52.41, investors can capitalize on its high daily movements while mitigating potential losses. Analysts and financial experts have generally positive views on the semiconductor sector and leveraged ETFs tied to it. This optimism is based on both current market conditions and future growth prospects within the tech industry. When we initially recommended SOXL, it was trading at around $54.17, with support levels identified at $49.58. Entering at this price provided a strategic entry point with a clear stop-loss level to manage risk. The potential upside was significant given the lack of resistance above and the supportive technical indicators. 5 days later, we posted an update on Twitter. SOXL was sold at target price today, $64.19 with a 9.3% gain. Subscribe to our podcast for in-depth analysis in the next episode. This successful trade underscores the importance of using a disciplined approach to trading, leveraging technical analysis, and staying updated with sector trends. We're excited to announce our new UEFA Euro 2024 predictor, using cutting-edge data analysis powered by FinanceFrontier.com. This tool provides accurate match score predictions, helping you make informed betting decisions. For example, our recent predictions included Poland versus Netherlands 1-2, Slovenia versus Denmark 0-2, and Serbia versus England 0-3. The predictor uses a comprehensive set of factors including team performance, player statistics, head-to-head records, and even weather conditions. This innovative approach demonstrates how AI can revolutionize sports betting, providing insights that traditional methods might miss. In future episodes, we'll discuss the top 40 factors influencing UEFA Euro 2024 match predictions and how you can use AI to stay ahead in your sports betting strategies.
In our next episodes, we'll continue to explore more high-potential trading opportunities, delve deeper into AI-driven investment strategies, and provide you with the tools and knowledge to enhance your trading and investment decisions. Stay tuned for more insights and expert interviews that will keep you ahead in the financial game.
Chapter 4, Finance Series. Investing in Different Asset Classes, Part 6 of 15.
Welcome to Chapter 4 of our Finance series. Today, we're exploring a new and dynamic area of investment, alternative investments. Can you start by explaining what alternative investments are and why they might be appealing to investors?
Absolutely. Alternative investments encompass a broad range of assets that fall outside the traditional categories of stocks, bonds, and cash. These can include private equity, hedge funds, real estate, commodities, collectibles, and even cryptocurrencies. The appeal of alternative investments lies in their potential for higher returns and their ability to diversify a portfolio. Since they often have low correlation with traditional asset classes, they can help reduce overall portfolio risk and enhance returns during volatile market conditions.
That sounds intriguing. Can you dive into some specific types of alternative investments and their unique characteristics?
Certainly. Let's start with private equity. This involves investing directly in private companies or buyouts of public companies that result in delisting from public stock exchanges. Private equity investments can offer substantial returns, but are typically illiquid and require a long-term commitment. They are often accessible through private equity funds, which pool capital from investors to acquire stakes in various companies. Next, we have hedge funds. These are pooled investment funds that employ various strategies to earn active returns for their investors. Hedge funds can invest in a wide array of assets and use techniques such as short selling, leverage, and derivatives. They aim to achieve positive returns regardless of market conditions, but they also come with higher fees and risks. Real estate is another popular alternative investment. Investors can earn returns through rental income, property appreciation, or profits from real estate development projects. Real estate can be less volatile than stocks and bonds, and it provides a tangible asset that can offer both income and capital appreciation. Commodities, such as gold, oil, and agricultural products, are physical assets that can provide a hedge against inflation and economic uncertainty. Investors can gain exposure to commodities through futures contracts, ETFs, or by owning the physical commodities themselves. Collectibles, including art, antiques, and rare items, are also considered alternative investments. These assets can appreciate significantly over time, but they require specialized knowledge to identify valuable items and are often less liquid. Lastly, cryptocurrencies have emerged as a modern alternative investment. Digital currencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum offer high potential returns, but come with significant volatility and regulatory uncertainties. They are accessible through cryptocurrency exchanges and can be stored in digital wallets.
Given their diversity, what are some strategies for incorporating alternative investments into a portfolio?
Incorporating alternative investments into a portfolio requires careful consideration of the investor's risk tolerance, investment horizon, and financial goals. Diversification is key, spreading investments across different types of alternative assets to mitigate risk. For instance, combining real estate, commodities, and private equity can provide a balanced exposure. Allocation should be determined based on your overall portfolio size and risk tolerance. Typically, investors might allocate 10 to 20% of their portfolio to alternative investments. Conduct thorough research and due diligence before investing in alternative assets, understanding the market dynamics, valuation methods, and potential risks associated with each type of investment. Be mindful of the liquidity of alternative investments since many are illiquid. Ensure you have sufficient liquidity in the rest of your portfolio to meet short-term needs. Lastly, consider seeking advice from financial advisors or investment professionals who specialize in alternative investments. They can provide insights and help tailor strategies to your specific financial situation. By carefully integrating alternative investments, investors can enhance their portfolio's performance potential while managing risks more effectively.
Thank you. That's a comprehensive overview of alternative investments and how they can fit into a broader investment strategy. For our listeners, it's essential to remember that while these investments offer exciting opportunities, they also come with unique risks and complexities. Always consider your financial goals and consult with a professional before diving into alternative investments.
Chapter 5 AI Series. Exploring AI in Various Industries, Part 6 of 8.
Welcome to Chapter 5 of our AI series. Today, we're delving into the transformative impact of AI across different sectors. Can you start by giving us an overview of how AI is being integrated into various industries and the benefits it brings?
Absolutely. AI has been making significant strides in multiple industries, revolutionizing processes and enhancing efficiencies. Let's begin with healthcare. AI is being used to analyze medical data, assist in diagnostics, and even in patient care through AI-driven chatbots that provide 24/7 support. For example, AI algorithms can process large datasets of medical images to detect anomalies faster and more accurately than human doctors, which is crucial in early diagnosis and treatment of diseases. In education, AI is transforming the learning experience by providing personalized tutoring, automating administrative tasks, and even creating customized learning materials. Educational platforms are leveraging AI to offer personalized learning paths, making education more accessible and tailored to individual needs. In the legal field, AI is being used to streamline legal research, draft documents, and even provide preliminary legal advice. This not only saves time but also reduces costs, making legal services more accessible. Additionally, AI is enhancing customer service across various sectors by powering chatbots and virtual assistants that handle inquiries, resolve issues, and provide personalized responses around the clock. This significantly improves customer satisfaction and operational efficiency. In finance, AI is transforming how institutions manage data, interact with customers, and make investment decisions. For instance, AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of financial data to identify trends and make predictions, which helps in making informed investment decisions and managing risks more effectively. Lastly, in manufacturing, AI is optimizing production processes, predicting maintenance needs, and improving supply chain management. AI-driven automation and predictive analytics are reducing downtime and increasing productivity, which is vital for maintaining competitive advantage in the industry.
It's fascinating to see the diverse applications of AI. Can you share some specific examples or success stories of AI implementation in these industries?
Certainly. In healthcare, Babylon Health is a great example of AI in action. They use AI to provide medical consultations based on personal medical history and common medical knowledge. This service helps in early diagnosis and provides accessible healthcare advice to millions. In education, platforms like Carnegie Learning are using AI to create personalized learning experiences that adapt to each student's needs, thereby improving educational outcomes. In the legal industry, companies like Ross Intelligence utilize AI to conduct legal research more efficiently, allowing lawyers to focus on more complex tasks that require human judgment. For customer service, Sephora uses an AI-powered chatbot to assist customers with product recommendations and queries, enhancing the shopping experience and increasing sales. In the financial sector, J.P. Morgan Chase's Coin Contract Intelligence platform uses AI to review legal documents and extract important data points, which significantly speeds up the review process and reduces errors. In manufacturing, Siemens is leveraging AI to predict equipment failures and schedule maintenance before breakdowns occur, thereby saving costs and minimizing production downtime.
Given these examples, what do you think are the key challenges and considerations for businesses looking to integrate AI into their operations?
Integrating AI into business operations comes with its own set of challenges. One major challenge is data privacy and security. As AI systems rely heavily on data, ensuring the privacy and security of this data is paramount to prevent breaches and misuse. Another challenge is the potential for bias in AI algorithms, which can lead to unfair outcomes. Businesses need to implement robust measures to detect and mitigate bias in their AI systems. Additionally, there is the issue of transparency. AI decisions can sometimes be difficult to interpret, known as the black box problem. Companies need to ensure that their AI systems are transparent and that decisions can be explained to stakeholders. There is also the need for continuous learning and adaptation. AI technology is evolving rapidly, and businesses must stay updated with the latest advancements to maintain a competitive edge. Finally, integrating AI requires a significant investment in technology and talent. Businesses need to invest in the right infrastructure and skilled professionals to develop, implement, and maintain AI systems effectively.
Thank you for those insights. It's clear that while AI offers immense potential, careful planning and consideration are essential for successful integration. For our listeners, understanding these aspects can help in making informed decisions about adopting AI technologies in their own businesses. Stay connected.
Absolutely. Our luxury conceptual digital art is not just a feast for the eyes, it's crafted with potential investment value in mind. Each piece is inspired by and linked to a specific chapter in our podcast, creating a unique narrative context that enhances its appeal. Drawing inspiration from the trajectory of Andy Warhol's iconic prints, which soared in value over time, we anticipate our artworks could similarly appreciate as digital and AI-influenced art gains broader recognition.
Warhol's work took some time to be fully appreciated, didn't it? How does that relate to our art?
That's right. Initially, Warhol's pop art faced skepticism and was met with mixed reactions. Some of his early works were priced modestly, often sold for a few $100s. Yet, over the years, these same pieces have appreciated enormously in value, with some reaching tens of millions at auctions. For instance, Warhol's 8 Elvises originally sold for $100,000 in the 1960s and later fetched over $100 million. We hope our art follows a similar trajectory, initially niche but growing in significance as the intersection of technology and luxury art becomes more mainstream.
And our listeners play a role in this as well, correct?
Indeed, they do. By engaging with our artwork on social media, especially on Twitter where we frequently post updates, our listeners help determine which pieces we feature. The most popular selections by our listeners are initially offered for sale on Etsy. Looking ahead, we're excited to announce plans for the Finance Frontier AI 2025 Art Collection, a future marketplace where these artworks will be traded like collector's cards. For truly standout pieces, we'll offer exclusive, limited edition artworks as NFTs, showcasing the best of our annual collections.
So, engagement from our listeners can influence which artworks are available?
Exactly. We encourage everyone to let us know if a particular piece captures their imagination. You can reach out through the contact form linked in our show notes or directly comment on our Twitter posts. This not only helps us gauge which artworks are most popular but also fosters a vibrant community around this innovative blend of art and technology.
For our listeners who want to dive deeper and stay ahead with the latest developments, what do you recommend, Max?
I strongly recommend subscribing to our AI Finance 5 newsletter. It's your weekly summary of the top 5 insights from our podcast, crafted to give you a leading edge in AI and finance. Just fill out the contact form linked in our show notes, and every Friday, you'll receive a concise overview of crucial developments directly in your inbox.
Fantastic! And for those who want to continue this discussion and not miss any of our episodes, where should they go?
To ensure you never miss an episode, subscribe to us on Apple Podcasts or Spotify. Your subscription helps us climb the charts and reach more listeners, expanding our community of tech-savvy investors. Plus, it's the best way to stay updated with our latest episodes and the evolving world of AI and finance.
We also want to hear from you, our valued listeners. Your feedback helps us improve and tailor our content to your interests. Here are a couple of questions we'd love your input on. Would you prefer if we created two separate series, one focusing exclusively on AI and another on finance? Or do you enjoy the combined format we currently have? Would you like a series that goes more in-depth on a single hot topic? Or do you prefer episodes like this one, where we cover the most popular news from the past week? Please let us know your thoughts by commenting on our social media posts or through the contact form in our show notes. Thank you to everyone who has joined us on this journey. Your curiosity and engagement are what drive us forward. Stay connected, keep exploring, and together, let's uncover the future of technology and finance.
Disclaimer and acknowledgements. This content is for educational purposes only and is not intended as financial or legal advice. We thank sources such as Bloomberg, Reuters, MarketBeat, Market Screener, Yahoo Finance, Daily Sabah, CNN Business, Federal Reserve, Markets Insider, Thrivent, Kiplinger, Fidelity, NatLaw Review, World Economic Forum, Google Cloud, Brennan Center for Justice, Governing, Voting Rights Lab, Reuters Institute, Politico, PwC, McKinsey, and the McKinsey Center for Future Mobility for their contributions to the field, which inspire our discussions. Copyright 2024 Max Vanguard. All rights reserved.